Hi everyone, welcome to Amina Creations. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a simple paper rose. You can see how beautiful this looks once it's been completed. So let's begin. For this I have taken two color papers, red and green color. First take a red color paper and then cut out 4 squares of 7 cm sides. Then take a square paper, fold as shown. Now I am going to draw a small petal and cut along the curve. Now we are getting a flower shape. In the same way we can make 3 more flowers. Now take one piece, cut out one petal. Now take the second piece, cut out 2 petals. The third piece we have to cut out 3 petals. And for the fourth piece we can cut it into half. Now we can take a bamboo stick and then 2 strips of green color paper. Apply Fevicol and then neatly cover the bamboo stick with the green color paper. Now our stem is ready. We can now stick the petals to the stem. Gently press outside along the curve so that we get a nice petal shape. In the same way we are going to complete the rose. Then take a green color paper, fold as shown. We are going to make the leaves. I'm drawing a leaf pattern here and then I'm going to cut out along the design. Finally our leaves are ready. Then take out another piece of paper and then fold as shown. Cut out zigzag pattern on it. We are going to stick this paper beneath the rose petals. And finally it's time to stick all the pieces together. can see how beautiful our rose has come out. In this way we can make more roses and make a flower bouquet. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with another video very soon. Take care. Bye bye.